Hey friends, it's Nicole. I am here today. It's Friday. It's Friday evening, so I apologize if the lighting gets a little funny because the sun is definitely on its way down. But I was flipping through my sticker books like 2 seconds ago just to kind of figure out which one I wanted to use for this week. And I think I'm going to use this August kit that I just got, the August monthly. Hello. I really just kind of like the colors, and they're vibrant and fun, and the whole like make lemonade out of lemonade and make lemonade out of lemonade. Well, you can probably do that, but lemonade out of lemons. I like the lemons and just kind of the brightness and cheeriness of that. So I think that is what I'm gonna do. And oh, my dog's barking, sorry. I really like the fireflies, so I'm actually going to, I think, purchase the firefly kit or the lightning bug kit, whichever one it is that Tasia has in the shop, and I'm gonna mix it with this August subscription kit because I think it would be really cute. And then you could even do that with like the campfire and the s'mores. So cute. But yeah, so I just kind of really just wanted something bright and cheery. Just kind of feeling kind of like I don't know, bleh. And I love this right here. And don't hate me, but I think I might cut out Poe with him eating that s'more. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to keep it pretty simple this week. Unlike last week, that was so much flipping. And I think I'm going to go ahead and just traditionally do that sidebar and everything because it just helps me to stay organized. So I hope everybody's doing well. I wanted to say thank you to everybody who's subscribed and hangs out with me. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. To decide what color to use. Hey guys, it's voiceover me. Happy Saturday. I filmed this yesterday, but I'm just editing it today. So I just wanted to walk you through some of my thought process because I kind of stare at these full boxes for a bit. I was trying to decide between the quote box or the lemonade stand, but the lemonade stand one won out. You can see I'm still trying to pull up the quote one, but I decided to go with the lemonade stand. Thought it was so cute. And yeah, I went ahead and decided to do more of like a traditional sidebar this week, just that way I can, just keep track of habits and work on like exercise and
I'm upstairs.
food and things like that. So that's what I did. And here I'm just laying down the headers and the dates. Yeah, so sometimes I like to cut off that little bit of washi just to give myself a little bit more room on the sidebar. I can usually fit in a weekly sticker and then like 3 habit trackers. Here I'm carefully cutting out Poe in his, what is it, an Arandak chair? Eating much more. So I'm gonna go ahead and put him on Saturday and Sunday. And then I flip through the Michael sticker books by Craftsmith Co., trying to find a nice double box that I think will work above his head so I can put in there Happy Father's Day. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing there, and I obviously save the rest of that jumbo for another time because everything's way too cute to toss. Wow, guys, is anybody else a total sucker for a full box? I think they are just so cute. I swear, if I could, like, not feel so greedy with my kits, I would use all the decorative full boxes for the week, but I usually choose to restrain myself so that I can use the kit again. But I just think that Tasia does such a good job. It's so cute. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. I feel like this was like a back to basics video for me. And honestly, like, it feels really good. Like, I love the symmetry of the spread, and I love the colors, and I think it's definitely cheery. And I have Poe there for Father's Day, and I will write in that double box there, Happy Father's Day. So I hope everyone's doing well. I hope everyone has a wonderful week, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week.